Welcome to Crash Area, where every crash is a lesson, and every sharp turn could become an unforgettable moment. This video is for entertainment purposes only. In real life, driving requires focus, not fearless stunts. Trust me, going viral thanks to a traffic cam isn't exactly brag-worthy. One careless second, and everyone on the road pays the price. Driving is no joke. Don't turn the streets into your personal stunt show. He spun around at the intersection and still hit that car.
Oh,
Ой, смотри, а что мне нет-то? Ой, мама мия!
Luckily, the driver jumped out. Oh my, he must have lost control of his speed, and probably his sanity. Well, that tree definitely won't go away. Oh no, not when your feet are out of sync with your driving. Intersections are no place to try your luck, my friend. Some people shouldn't drive, period. Those two girls better thank that pole. It saved the day. Looks like the car had some trouble. Luckily, no other cars were affected. He was clearly doing a stunt in real life. Another second, and it would have been over. That was terrifying. Both cars caught fire. Oh my God, what a miraculous escape! And today, Crash Area comes to an end, where every crash is a silent reminder. If you feel nervous, shocked, or simply can't take your eyes off, remember to like, subscribe to Crash Area, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next breathtaking moments. And always remember, driving requires concentration because sometimes just a second is enough to turn everything upside down.